Hi guys, it's Ash here. Thought I'd do a little video because today is Palm Sunday and it's something that I do in my folk practice, as well as do St. Bridget crosses and Rowan crosses from Beltane or May Day. I also make palm crosses on Palm Sunday. And essentially, Palm Sunday represents Jesus' entry into Jerusalem, and it's associated as a peaceful day. Like he's like often depicted coming into Jerusalem on a donkey as a symbol of peace, as opposed to a war raging knight who would be riding on a horse. And because of this, you would go attend mass, and your local priest will be handing out palm crosses, which are already made for you. However, I don't go to the church. I haven't for so many years. So I celebrate Palm Sunday at home. So I thought I'd show you a wee video of how to make a palm cross. I'm using just a strip of paper because I still haven't picked my palm leaves yet, which I'm lucky because I have some growing in my garden. Um, um, Also, yes, so they're not a native plant to Britain, and in the past it was also known as Yew Sunday because people in Britain and Europe would use strips of yew as to substitute using palm. So essentially, you can use anything really. I'm lucky enough to have like one in the garden where I live, but you can use reeds. You can use any sort of long leaf, hardy plant to use it to make one. But yeah, so I'm just going to use a strip of paper to show you. So, first of all, get it should be roughly to the palm of your hand. So make sure this bit, and you fold it over, and the strip underneath is roughly the size of your hand, and the other bit longer. So you fold it over like so. Then you want to go to the middle and do a fold to the side like so. And if you can see it. So it's like a vertical fold. Okay. Then you want to hold it and fold again like so. I'm trying to do as equal armed as I can. So you fold it around the back like so. Then you're folding it down the middle like that. And that's a simple way of doing a palms cross. There's another way, which I like to do, so you can fold it again. I'm going to do it a bit smaller so we've got more room. So again, we're folding one way. Turn that over. In the middle, a vertical fold, like so, if you can see. Fold that over to make the other side of the cross. Fold again. So, like we did the first one, right, except what we're going to do is going to do another fold like so. If you can see, it folds in a way that it's coming to this side of the cross. Turn it over, fold from north to south. Again, fold like so, north, then east to west. I've run out a bit of paper. So essentially, you should have something that looks like this. Run out of paper at the end, but yeah, which is make sure you have you're judging the length of your leaf, and try and do it as small as you can so that you can do one that looks like that. Essentially, you would have another bit that goes round, but because I've rushed it, it's turned out like that. So yeah, and that's how you make your palm crosses. You hang them above the, like St. Bridget's cross, you hang above the door, you hang them in the kitchen. It essentially protects you from harm. The church would say by the snares of the devil, so anything that is evil, or as they considered evil. So some say against thunder, fire in the home. Very similar attributes to the way St. Bridget crosses are and Roman crosses. So, although the Roman cross is specifically against witchcraft and malevolent magic. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. For those who practice on this day of Palm Sunday, or You Sunday, whatever you want to call it, or Branch Sunday, I hope you have a brilliant day, and blessings and love to you all.